Alright guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because we are back in the kitchen. You guys, I have been missing for a while, but I'm back, okay? So, today's video, you guys, is about viral spaghetti. You know the viral spaghetti that's floating around with everyone, with the ragu and the Alfredo. Well, we're going to try it. We're going to try it and see how it tastes and it comes out. But meantime, you guys, thumbs this video straight up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And yes, leave a comment because I love and I enjoy talking to you guys. And you guys, let's get ready and get into this video. You guys, I'm sorry for moving you guys, but anywho, so we have our ground beef, right? We have plenty ground beef. I got a little over 3 pounds. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cook it. That's not to say that I'm gonna use it all, because this is a small family that I'm cooking, small household. Anyhow, we're going to put that right here. And we're just going to go ahead and mix this up. Let me wash my glove. Now, in most cases, you know, a lot of people, you know, I'm going to put a little water in my ground beef, you guys. Because to me, it helps it. Okay? It helps it. Not to drown it, but just to give it a little support on my meat cooking, right? And all that oil and stuff. Well, I normally don't do this, but I'm not going all the way to the surface. But, yeah. I'm more like smashing, right? And I'm just going to go on and do that on up a couple of times to loosen it up with that water. You guys, I don't know. Water just works out best for me when it comes to ground beef. You know. But cook your ground beef any way you want to. You guys, I have been doing a lot of finding myself, you guys. A lot of finding myself. So, I know a lot of you guys wonder where I have been. And shout out to those who follow me and support me. I appreciate it. So, now we're going to season our ground beef up, right? So, we're going to season it on up because we're going to use a little onion powder. Okay, because I'm not using onions. Okay. We're going to use a little black pepper. Well, that's a little lot. But it's a little, you know, whatever. But anywho. So, now, you guys, I love this. I mean, it has different seasonings or, you know. It's great, you know, they say for pizza and all of that. But anywho, well, let's see. We're going to use the garlic and onions, right? We're going to sprinkle a little bit of that on it. And we're going to use a little Italian seasoning, right? Just a little. And that's all the seasoning I'm going to use, right? Now that smells good, okay? And I'm going to let this ground beef cook. And we'll be back. Let me put my spaghetti on. So fam, we're going to check on the spaghetti. So we have the spaghetti boiling. As you guys can tell, my spaghetti is boiling. But before I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and turn this eye back on because I want to add my meat sauce over here. Now, most people, they add their meat sauce, but they don't have as much meat as I do, but that's not here or there, right? I'm going to let it get hot, just like that. We're going to put that aside while I drain my spaghetti. Okay, so we have our spaghetti drained. We have our meat sauce over here. And we're just going to go ahead and put our creamy Alfredo over in the spaghetti, you guys. Now, use whatever spaghetti you have. But I went with the classical, you know, Alfredo. Because that's my favorite Alfredo sauce. And I'm just going to put that in there because we like our spaghetti saucy. Okay? I don't know about you guys, but anywho, we like ours a little saucy. So we're going to mix that on up in here, just like so. Let me get a fork. Okay. You don't have to add water to your Alfredo if you don't want to. But I did. Because this first layer will have Parmesan cheese on it. Now this is the way I'm making mine. Now I don't mean that you have to make yours this way. I'm just giving ideas. Right? Just like that. And we're going to put a little of our Italian herbs. No, let's go with garlic and onion. With garlic and onion seasoning. Just a little seasoning, that's all. There's nothing wrong with a little seasoning. Now, you know what? I think I'm going to put a little cheese in between there. Now, this is my take on the viral spaghetti, okay? This is my take, okay? 'Cause over here, we like a little twist to stuff, you know? Now, let's go ahead and put our meat sauce up here. Let's get a bowl. Or a plate. Uh-oh. I think I can pick that meat sauce up now. Oh, yeah. Let me just put it over in here. I'm sorry, you guys, if that irritates some of you guys. But anywho, we're going to go on and spread it on out. Yeah, we're going to spread this love on out. And there we go. We got it all in off both corners. That's what we need, baby. If you like this video, thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, join your girl and leave any comments below so I can respond back, you guys. Now, we're going to use the rest of our cheddar cheese on top. You can use whatever cheese you like. Because I'm going to put it in the oven just to get our cheese melted, you guys. Just to get our cheese melted. I think I'm going to put a little jack on there. Hold on. Yeah, I had a little pepper jack cheese. So I'm going to use that as well. Just something to get rid of it. But yeah, there we have it. A little Parmesan on top. Not too heavy. But remember, we got it in the middle. Right? Now I'm going to slide. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Let's put a little more Italian herbs on top. And I'm going to slide this in the oven, 400, approximately 15 minutes, or until the cheese has melted. Along with our garlic sticks. You guys, take a look at that viral spaghetti. You guys, you cannot beat it. It looks so delicious. I really don't want to touch it. But it's hot. Okay, it's hot. It's straight out the oven, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait to taste it, you guys. Let's go in here and let's see what it's about. Which way should I just try to go this end, go that end? Because I'm an end kind of gal, you know. So, let's... Oh, I'm so confused, y'all. I don't know which end. And look at the juices around it. Oh, wait. Miss T done put her foot down. Okay. But, okay, so, yeah, we're going to go in here and we're going to get us a nice little piece. Just a nice little piece. Because I need to taste it for y'all, right? Okay. Y'all, I'm making all kind of noise over here, okay? Okay, so it's good and hot. Good and hot. So Miss T is going to go in here. You guys check out that viral spaghetti. We're going to give it a good mix. Because I don't like dry spaghetti. It got to be a little moist, okay? Okay, let's go in here. And the first bite is yours. As my sister Emma would say. Ooh. Y'all. Let's blow it. Y'all. The combination. I must say, this is delicious. It is definitely delicious. And then you got all the cheese sauce down in here. Yeah, that's cheese sauce right there. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Now don't hurt yourself, Miss T. Don't hurt yourself. Let me put this down. You got Let me put those. You guys, if you haven't tried this recipe, or you haven't tried the viral spaghetti recipe original, you got to try it. It's a game changer. And yes, also try the seasonings that I showed you guys. I want to reach over here and get it. Purchase some of this, and it's a game changer as well. I have 2 bottles because I just love it, okay? But meantime and in between time, thumbs this video up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, go tell a friend what Miss T is doing on this channel. And you guys, I will be back with another video very, very soon. So until then, bye-bye.